As you can see, I just missed the train. I think there's a few minutes coming.
Thought I would just do a really quick doodle while I waited for the train. So, looks like the train's coming the other direction, but that's not going to help me much. Hey, thanks for joining us. Okay, so let's start with the subject of trains, since I just missed one, and we'll see where that takes us. All right. What's an Orwoolly? Can you describe an Orwoolly to me? Whatever that is, I-N-N-I-P-I? I'll just make something up then. Maybe it's like this. I'm in Los Angeles, so I don't know Scottish cartoon characters, so I'm just going to make up what I think an Orwoolly is, and you'll have to direct me. He sits on a bucket, huh? So maybe we'll put a little car with a bucket on it, huh? He wears dungarees. That is so outside of my world, you have no idea. Did my best shot, man. Sorry. I don't even know what this is. I'm just making this up as I go. These are like some sort of creatures on llamas. Oh, dude, that's great. I can do a llama. I know what a llama looks like. I think I do. Don't they have kind of like snouts like this? But actually, that's the worst llama ever. And let's say they're about to crash, right? And let's say the first car has already gone over the edge here. Train coming yet? No, not yet. A few more minutes. Conductive texting. Let's say this guy's texting right here. Whoa. This is like one of those old-fashioned trains. Totally going over the edge here. Maybe there's like a dude falling out the back of it. That's a steam engine. Over. Thanks, appreciate it. I don't know, it's like a river down here or something. Maybe there's like other trains that have already fallen off the edges. There's like piles of junk down here. On fire, blowing up. I think we should just put chaos every. Yeah, they should be like freaking out. Holy shit, we're about to go over the edge. And what is this guy texting? Maybe he's periscoping live while he like goes over the edge of this train. He's like, hey buddy. I will, man. I definitely will. I'll YouTube it when I get to work, and I will figure out how to draw it.
and here comes my train, guys. So I'm gonna stop. Thanks for joining in.